afternoon to one and all once again. So let's start directly with the word of the day usage. The word of the day was used by our TMOD Toastmaster Karthik, our keynote speaker Mr. Soma Valliyappan, and it was also used by Distinguished Toastmaster Sundar Raman and Distinguished Toastmaster Aarthi. I hope I haven't missed anybody. And coming to the good vocabulary that was used in today's meeting, we had Distinguished Toastmaster Satish use words like dubious and fumbled. And we also had Distinguished Toastmaster Karthik use words like flabbergasted. And we had Toastmaster Mukhi use the phrase up in the air, which means very significantly high. And we also had a guest speaker using a lot of wonderful vocabulary, like say elicit, which means to invoke a response from someone or something, and derailed, which means to go off track, and dumbfounded, which means dumbstruck or surprised a lot, and a lot of other beautiful words. And we also had the word camaraderie used by the Toastmaster of the day, and we had garnered used by Toastmaster Aarthi, which means to collect or in this context, learn something over a period of time. And we had Distinguished Toastmaster Satish use the word inculcate, which means to impart knowledge or wisdom. And now coming to a few pronunciation errors that we all made during the meeting. For words starting with A, like say air or earlier, we had a year prefix to it. We said year and we said yearlier, which should be avoided. And we had one speaker saying adieu, it's ado and not adieu. And we had one speaker saying carrier, which in context should have been career, because carrier becomes different carrier. And we had mission used, it should have been machine. Mission becomes like a goal or an objective, and machine becomes an automaton. And that's it for the improvements in vocabulary. Now coming to improvements in language itself, I've classified them as three. Firstly, word replacements that we can do to improve our speech. And a few of them are, we had meeting goes on and disturb was used. It could have been meeting does not get disturbed in context. And we also had fumbled on that use, which in context should have been I was confounded or confused or taken aback by that and not fumbled. And we had three more people to be remembered used, which in context could have been three more people who noteworthy people or three more people whose contribution has to be recognized. And we had I should have why am I reading it used, which could have been replaced with I should think about the reason for which I'm reading it, or I should ask myself why I am reading it. And we had seeing Netflix used, which in context should have been watching Netflix. And we had it has bought something to Meraki, which in context should have been it has brought something, because bought is the past tense of buy, and here we are speaking about people bringing something to the meeting in past tense. So it should have been brought and not bought. And we also had overlap of two circles used, which could have been better phrased as intersection of two circles. And we had give a company used, which in context should be give company. You give people company when you give them companionship, and you give people a company when you like literally give your company to them. And the second thing I wanted to talk about was tenses. So a little preamble for this, we have the present tense, which is are, the past tense, which is was, were, and we have past perfect, that is something that happened before past, and we had past continuous, which is something that happened continuously in the past. In this context, we had I didn't had this used. It should have been I didn't have this or I hadn't had this. I didn't have this is not proper sentence construction at all, and it doesn't fit to any particular tense. And we had this book have drawn, which in context should have been this book has drawn, because book is singular. And we had is in the corporate for 20 years. In context of someone who is still working in the corporate, it should have been past continuous, because this person is still working in the corporate. So it should have been has been in the corporate for 20 years. And we also had he delivered 100 sessions, which could have been better phrased as he has delivered 100 sessions. And we had that way was better. It could have been that way is better, because we were talking about something that was still better. So it could have been that way is better. And that's it for my grammarians report. Before I conclude, I want to propose a challenge to all of you. Since all of you are DTMs here, and because this is such a noteworthy meeting, I started making note of all the extraordinary words used in this meeting. And I was hoping to achieve 100 words. So far, I have 93, which means if within, say, the next 15 minutes, we get 7 more out of the ordinary words, then we'll have a nice list of 100 words to remember this 100th meeting by. I request all of you to help me achieve this mission. Thank you. Back to the Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much.
Should receive an unmuted applause. I have never listened to such a wonderful grammarian report. Definitely, she needs special applause.
100 applause.
Thank you so much, Rupa. At the start of the meeting, I mentioned I was flabbergasted when she was giving the report, and also crowning additional role of pronunciation master. Thank you so much, Rupa, and everybody was gravitated towards. I think is you can add this word to your list. Okay, so let's come to the important event of this meeting. So I'll hand over the session to Aarti to release the newsletter at the tabloid.